Hey everyone, welcome back to our beginner lash extension technique series. I'm excited to be talking about one of the most artistic parts of lashing, creating your blueprint. What you're going to need is tape, gel pads, and a fine point Sharpie. Products are linked below, and let's go ahead and get started. Once you've had the chance to talk with your client about the look she's after, you're going to start creating your blueprint, make your vision come to life. Our model has more of a round eye and she wants them to look lifted, so we're going for a cat eye. We've already taped her and now we're ready to map. I know it can be a lot of pressure to do this on the fly, especially in the early days, so it can be helpful if you first blueprint in a notebook and then you start drawing it out on your client. First, we're going to create the shape, and it's all about the lengths within sections. The lengths we've determined that are right for our client are 7mm up to 12. With this blueprint, we are doing a cat eye shape. So we will first mark our first lash and then our last lash. Now we're going to mark our inner corners. Those are going to be 7mm. And then moving on, we're going to mark the peak of the brow, which is where our 10mm is going. Then on our outer corner, we're going to do that 12mm to get that really nice elongated cat eye look. And then for our next sections, we're going to divide between 7, 8, and 9. You want to make sure that your blueprint is really easy to read and it's super clean. So I recommend just using a Sharpie. Let's get those nice, bold numbers in there. Remember that curl and diameter mixing and length and lash type staggering can add texture, and you can account for that here and there. All right, we're gonna do some fine tuning. Our blueprint looks great, and we are ready to lash. All right, now you are an expert in blueprinting. You can go ahead and start making your own beautiful sets, and we can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what you want to see more of. You can follow us on our social media at borboleta.artist, where we post lots of tips, tricks, and even more blueprinting. If you want to take a deeper dive into blueprinting or for more of our techniques, make sure you click our link below for our online campus. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time.